How is a slip jig performed? Have you ever watched a dance that seems to float across the floor? That's the magic of a slip jig, a beautiful part of Irish culture. So, how is a slip jig performed? Let's break it down step by step. A slip jig is traditionally danced by female performers and is known for its graceful and flowing movements. It is set to music in 9/8 time, which gives it a light and lilting rhythm. This unique timing sets it apart from other Irish dances. The performance begins with basic steps, where dancers combine stepping and hopping motions. A common starting move is called a lead around. Here, the dancer rhythmically steps and hops, creating a lively atmosphere. Next, we have cross hops and points. In this step, the dancer hops while crossing one foot in front of the other. They also extend their foot, pointing it either forward or backward, often hopping back to the original position. This adds a playful element to the dance. As the performance progresses, dancers incorporate turns and skips. For example, a dancer might turn on one foot while performing a hop or skip. This requires a lot of balance and precision. A typical turn involves lifting the right foot over the back knee for a big hop, then turning in place to the right. While much of the slip jig is performed in place, some sequences involve moving diagonally across the stage. Dancers maintain controlled skips and steps, keeping that light and flowing quality throughout. Throughout the dance, the upper body remains steady, with arms held in graceful positions. This helps to highlight the intricate footwork, making the performance visually stunning. The slip jig is distinct from other Irish dances like the reel or hornpipe, thanks to its rhythm and elegance. For travelers wanting to experience Irish culture, watching a live slip jig is a treat. Many dance schools and cultural festivals in Ireland showcase this dance. Dancers often wear traditional soft shoes that allow for delicate footwork and light hops. If you are interested, you can even find workshops or dance classes to learn the basic steps of a slip jig. This offers a hands-on connection to this elegant form of Irish dance. So, next time you hear that enchanting music in 9/8 time, you will know exactly how a slip jig is performed and appreciate the beauty of this traditional Irish dance.